Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. This is Nestfani again. Okay, in today's video we're going to be talking on vaginal thrush. Like I told you in my last video, there is the various causes of vaginal itching and vaginal irritation or vaginal abnormal discharge from the vagina. We're going to be taking the various causes, what actually causes it. We're going to pick it in detail. We're going to explain more about it. So in today's video we're going to start with the first one, which is vaginal yeast. There is yeast infection of the vagina, also known as vaginal thrush. Okay, so we're going to talk on vaginal thrush. We're going to talk on the causes, what causes vaginal thrush. We're going to talk on the signs and symptoms, that is for you to know if you have vaginal thrush. All right, we're going to talk on the various way to treat and to prevent this infection. Vaginal thrush actually is a yeast infection of the vagina and the vulva that is caused by an overgrowth yeast known as Candida albicans. In every healthy vagina there is a small amount of yeast, and also there is also an amount of yeast found in the bowel. So when this yeast actually overgrow, that is when it grows to an extent that it cannot be controlled again, it causes infection of the vagina. And also I want you to know that this yeast infection is not an ST, it's not an STI infection, it's not a sexually transmitted infection, but in some cases men who have sex without using condom, after having sex they can feel some irritation and itching at the head of the penis. So but actually studies have proven that it's not actually a sexually transmitted infection. 5% of women will actually experience this vaginal thrush in their lifetime. Alright, we're going to move down now to what actually causes this vaginal thrush. What actually are the causes? First, you have frequent use of antibiotics. Actually, when there is frequent use of antibiotics, let's just take an example of an antibiotic like amoxicillin. That take amoxicillin there is frequently, this amoxicillin goes into the body. Maybe you were taking it for maybe something else, that is to kill a certain bad bacteria, but this amoxicillin will actually goes. We have actually bacteria in our body that actually helps us, like the bacteria in the vagina, the normal flora. It actually helps to phagocyze the yeast infection. So you taking the amoxicillin, it actually goes and also kills the bacteria in the vagina. It kills all the bacteria that it sees in the body, so it's there to kill. So it just kills all the bacteria found in the body, and so which will definitely lead to overgrowth of the yeast. So there'll be no bacteria again to phagocyze it. So the bacteria, the yeast in the vagina actually increase in number, which lead to infection of the vagina. So that was the first cause. The second, we have pregnancy and also during breastfeeding. It can actually lead to yeast infection, okay, because there is hormonal changes, and also due to the fact that when someone is pregnant, the person is immunocompromised, so very exposed to all these. The person is actually exposed to infection. Third cause, we have menstrual cycle changes. Actually, menstrual cycle changes can lead to this vaginal thrush. Okay, the fourth, we have health condition like diabetes, you have iron deficiency, and you have immune system disorder. And the last, we have oral contraceptive. Oral contraceptive actually can cause vaginal yeast or can cause vaginal thrush. Alright, so that is actually the causes of vaginal thrush. Now we're going to move down to the sign and symptom. How do you know you have this infection? How do you know you have vaginal thrush? The first sign and symptoms of this vaginal thrush, we have vaginal and vulva itching. The second, we have a thick white or creamy discharge that look like a cottage cheese. All right. The third, we have burning and stinking sensation during urination. The fourth, we have split in the skin of the vulva. Okay, then the fifth, we have redness and swelling of the vulva. All right, the sixth, we have discomfort and pain during sex, and the last, we have vaginal discomfort. Okay, those are the signs and symptoms of vaginal thrush. Now we're going to move down now to ways to treat this vaginal thrush. If this vaginal thrush actually goes and come back constantly, if it goes and come back, then you have to seek a medical attention. All right, so actually treatment like a pharmacological method to treat this vaginal thrush, you can take medication like fluconazole, that is fluconazole tablet. Nystatin also can be given to insert into the vagina. All right, so that is the few ways to treat this vaginal thrush that we had. Now we are going to move down now to the ways to prevent this vaginal thrush. How can we prevent this vaginal thrush? It's actually better to prevent than to treat, all right, so let's go down. But before we go down to that, if you're new in this channel, do well to subscribe, like, and also share. The first, we have, you actually wipe you wipe or you clean your vagina. That is, you clean from front to back. I keep on emphasizing on this point. I don't know, I keep on saying this point because it's actually important. Rather than wiping from the anus to the vagina, that is, you carry bacteria, you carry so many things from the anus to the vagina, and in which is not really advisable. So you wipe from front to back. That is, you clean your vagina. That is, after using the toilet, you make sure that you clean from front to back. All right, the second, you put on cotton underwears. Avoid tight-fitting underwears and synthetic underwear. Also avoid using vaginal spray, fragrance, and also soap around the genital area or in your vagina. That is, you avoid using it. Even when you avoid douching, that is, you don't douche your vagina. And also avoid using soap, that is, soapy water to wash your vagina with. Use a clean water to wash your vagina. The next, you prevent or you avoid having vaginal sex immediately after having anal sex. And the last thing that we have is, if it's a must that you must touch your vagina or your vagina, it is advisable to always wash your hands before you touch your vagina. It is advisable to always wash your hands. Make sure you wash and make sure you keep your hands clean before you